Hi, this is Larry Kearney. Welcome to my review of the new software called TrafficOS AI. Now, this is one of the best ways to make money online because once you set it up, it takes a few minutes and you leave it running on your computer. You don't have to open it again because now a TrafficOS AI is going to do a number of things. It's going to connect to your social accounts. It's going to comment into very intelligently follow people, start conversations, all with AI, and you don't need an API key. So it all does all that for you. Follows people, comments, you get socialize with them in terms of what they said online, and also eventually when they do a DM, it's going to put your affiliate link in there, so you'll be able to make money automatically without you even touching the computer. Now I'm gonna go through a demo. This is using AI, and they have a number of different bots or robots that handle all the work. So the person don't even know that they're not talking to a real person. And as I said before, it's going to offer them advice, comment on their comments, and also show you affiliate link once they message you. So everything's done for you. For example, here they can even give you some high commission products that you could sell with this system, or you could add any product you want, your own product. I added a couple of WSO products, but here, now one thing about this, one thing I want you to keep in mind that when you add a $2,000 product, it's going to target videos or Facebook groups or anyone that's normally buying $2,000 products. It's not going to send that to people that are talking about smaller products, low income products. So this is the section where you can add. Now these you'll be approved for. You don't have to worry about that because this is owned by the people that made the software. So you'll be approved for these high income products. Or you could add as any product you want, your own product, it doesn't matter. And as I said before, this system is going to only go after people that match the keywords for these particular products. So if they're into high income products, it's going to you can see some videos on YouTube where people are selling $2,000 or $3,000, $4,000 products, and they're making sales. Your comments will be listed on those videos, below those videos. Okay, let's keep going here. Let's see here. All right. Now here I have it shows you some of the networks you have that you can post to automatically, like Facebook, YouTube. So it's going to auto comment. It's going to auto comment based on what they said already. You have high level comments. You got Reddit, auto comment, auto reply, replies to DMs. So it takes care of all the work. Quora comments based on their questions, and their comments is going to find the right questions for that particular product that you're promoting. Okay, create posts, X. So as I said before, once you set this up, it takes 5 minutes. You don't have to open it again. It handles all that. AI handles all that. So this is the first time AI actually does all the work. I know a lot of people are doing AI and using prompts and cutting and pasting and all that kind of stuff. This does that for you. Okay, you have let's see here. So you have your teams. So far, I was running YouTube. Just started this, yesterday. YouTube, Quora, and Reddit, and it shows how many times it's run. And you can hire as many agents as you want. As I said before, the agents is basically a group of AI agents that handle all your posts, write your posts, handle friend requests. So it does everything for you, and this is the first time this system has ever been available to anyone at this point. So everyone knows AI is the thing you have to use, but this is the most advanced agent system that I have seen because you don't have to know anything. You just follow the video training, set it up, activate the agents, and the agents take your whole agent team, you might say. Your whole AI team handles all the rest, and AI is very good at posting and comment on people's conversations. This is Larry Koenig. Click the link below if you're ready to get started making money now. TrafficOS AI is available for you right now. Okay, Larry Koenig. I'd like to thank everybody for watching my video, and don't forget to click the link below.